Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be doing origami shrimp. For this I'll be taking 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet of paper and I'll be starting with the diagonal fold. Now bring these two sides to the center crease. This is called as kite base. Once again bring these two sides to the center and make a crease. Now open these two flaps and fold the module into half. Now take the scissors and cut from this point by leaving here around 2 centimeters. Now open the flaps and fold it as shown. Go according to the previous creases. Bring these two sides to the center crease as shown. Fold the triangle down and fold it back. This is called as step fold or zigzag fold. Now fold the module into half. Here we need to make a small hole through which we can pull out the whiskers of the shrimp. Open the module and turn. Now you can insert the whiskers as shown. Fold the module into half. Now from here again you have to do the zigzag fold or step fold as demonstrated. Repeat the step fold 4 times. Now fold the module into half. Pull down slightly and press it to create a curve shape. You can give the finished look to the model by drawing the eyes. Origami shrimp is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.